Hello friends, welcome to WebTools. I am Mohammad Adim. Today I am going to show you how to make a PHP CRUD with the help of Ajax. In this CRUD system you can get the records without page refresh. In this tutorial I use jquery plugin that's called JTable. With the help of this plugin we get the benefits of pagination as well as sorting. So now first of all I want to show you my database. Under my database name is employee. Under this database there is one table that's name is records. In records table we have four fields. First one is empid, and that's the primary key and auto increment. Second one is fname, and third one is lname, mean last name, and fourth one is salary, that is in type. So now this is my database. So now I start the code in my favorite editor, that's NetBeans. So that is the file, and you can see the demo. That is the main index file, index page. You can see all the records with the pagination. This is the first page, that is the second page. And now if you want to edit, then you can Ajay, and salaries 70, then save. Now record has been changed. You can also get the benefits of sorting. Yes, everything is working fine. If you want to delete the record, then simply delete and then delete the record. If you want to add new records, then you can add records. You can simply add records as well as delete the records. So now we simply move the code editor. So write down the code. I delete all of code except CSS and JS, which is called in head section. So I delete everything except head. Between body tag I delete all the code. Now we start the code from here. First of all we need to make a div, and let's give the name of id, that is the employee, and style width. That's the same width where we display the all records. That's why I'm doing some styling over here. And now give the margin, then R2. Simple. Now we start the some jQuery code. So first of all we need to call a script. Script type is equal to close the script. Now start the code. $document dot ready function. Now target the id of div, so that is hash, and then copy employee. Now call the jtable, title, give any title you want, php crud with the help of ajax. Now that would be fine, comma, and paging, mean page size. Page size would be 2 for testing purpose, and then sorting should be so true, comma, default sorting. Default sorting would be fname, mean first name, fname, ascending order. If you want to descending, so you can. Now put some actions. List action colon file name process.php, where action is equal to list for display the records, and for the create action colon I copy this, and action would be create. Now update action colon process.php, that would be update. And last one is delete action that would be delete. Now we need to put fields here, colon emp, and now see the emp id from database, emp underscore id. So copy this field and paste here, emp id colon key should be true, comma, create, that feature should be false, and edit should be false because it is auto incremented field, and list also false. I don't want to display emp id. Now next field is fname, and then lname and salary. Okay, now next field is fname colon title colon first name comma width 40 35% and comma lname colon bracket title colon last name width 35% comma and last one is salary salary colon title colon salary and width colon 35%. And now give the semicolon here and load the records. So call the id of div employee employee dot jtable and that will load and then semicolon now close the script and body and html. So now we have done an index file. Now we need to work on process.php. So here we start with in PHP code just put try $con is equal to mysql underscore connect, then host is localhost, my user is root, password is blank, and my database is employee. No, there is no need of socket semicolon. Now start the code. If $get and what we have passed, yeah, that is the action. So now copy this. If action is equal to list, then now we count the record, so just start the query. $result is equal to mysql underscore query query $con comma select count asterisk as make us alias record count from table name is record or is records no semi end of semicolon. After that now row is equal to mysql underscore fetch array dollar result semicolon. Now dollar make a variable record count is equal to dollar row record count or is cod records count record count then semicolon. Now we count the records. Next thing we need to get all records from database. Get all records from database. So now dollar result is equal to mysql underscore query dollar con comma select all from records order by mm, concatenate dollar underscore get now jt sorting and then dot limit dot dollar underscore get jt strt start index start index strt start index index then again dot comma then dot dollar underscore get last one is page size. We passed 4 variables sorting index and page size. Sorry, passed 3 variables jt page size then dot semicolon. Now we get the result. Now we need to declare a variable array type variable. So dollar rows is equal to array semicolon. So while dollar row is equal to mysql underscore fetch array dollar result here we need to pass all data to rows array type variable $row semicolon. Then we need to return result to jtable, so $jtable jtable result is equal to define array type of variable, and then in this jtable result we store all the things like result is equal to okay semicolon. Now copy paste this. Here we total records count, total record count dollar record count. Yeah, that is the record count. Pass it here, record count, and that is records, that is $rows, rows semicolon. Now echo, we pass the all data through JSON, so echo JSON underscore encode and pass jtable result, then semicolon. Now we have some error, that is here HP. So now before see the result we need to complete try and catch code. So this is my action, close braces, and this is for try. Now also declare the catch exception as $e, whatever you want you can give. Then later we will do something here. So now here we close the connection, close $con semicolon, and now we see the query once again. Then we need to go in browser to see the result, that is the local host. Okay, now record count as records. Okay, now get should be in capital letter, underscore get limit and jt index, jt page size semicolon, jt page size page. Now everything looks okay. So now we save it and check the result in browser. Localhost slash ajax crud. There is something wrong. That's why data is not displaying here. Okay, now we troubleshoot our query. So now it's I think there is no error in my code. So I troubleshoot here with the inspect element. Process.php. Yeah, that's one. Undefined JT start index line number 12. That is the error. So there is line number 12. Limit JT start index. That is the error. Page size. That is undefined. So it's mean my pagination is not working. So here I need to check title, page size, sorting, default sorting. Yeah, actually I missed the value, that is paging colon, should be true. Now let's recheck. There is something here. Page. Actually it should not be semicolon, it should be only comma. Now we need to refresh this page. Yeah, we got the result. We have number of two. Actually we set the pagination only two, that's why two records displaying. Now we change it's 5. Now 5 records should be display. Yeah, 5 records it's showing. Okay, now let's we start further code. Now here we start else if $_get action is equal to, now it's time to I think create. Yeah, that's the create. We have worked on list. Now it's time to make query for create. First we store the variables $_post fname semicolon lname salary, that is also salary. Now write down the query. Insert query $result is equal to mysql I underscore query $con comma insert into table name is records, into records, insert into f name, comma l name, comma salary, values dollar f name, dollar l name, comma dollar salary. Now semicolon. Now we have run insert query. Now it's time to get last inserted ID. So we need to write query dollar, first we comment get last insert record. So dollar result is equal to mysql I underscore query dollar con comma select all from records where emp underscore id is equal to last insert id. We need to call last insert id function in semicolon and close the bracket. Now dollar row is equal to mysql I underscore fetch array dollar results semicolon. So now all results should be returned to jtable. So return result to jtable dollar jtable result is equal to, it is a array type variable, so now declare it. So now we store some values in this variable as array. So result is equal to OK. Now simply copy paste this line, this time record should be dollar row, and now echo json underscore encode jtable result semicolon. I think we have successfully create insert query. So now we check it. add new record, Amit Katiyar, save, something error. So again we troubleshoot. Let's troubleshoot undefined variable post line number 26. That is the error. That is, I wrote a small t by mistake. T, that is the main error. So I correct it. Now again I check it. Refresh. Yeah, that is inserted. 3 blank records. Delete is not working right now because we didn't create such query. So again we create new records. Amit, I'm missing, save. Yeah, missing save. So now we need to work on edit. So let's restart. Else if dollar underscore get action is equal to, it's time to update. Yes, update. Now write the code. Dollar result is equal to mysql underscore query dollar con comma update records set fname is equal to, first we need dollar underscore post fname comma lname is equal to dollar underscore post lname lname where emp underscore id is equal to dollar underscore post emp id emp underscore id emp underscore id. Now I think everything is clear. And last we close by semicolon. Now I think query is completed. So again we need to return result to jtable, return result to jtable. So now we just copy these things, jtable result is equal to array and jtable result is equal to okay. Now it's time to print echo json underscore encode $j table result semicolon. Now we need to check it. Edit this field. Ritu Singh. Cell is 2222. Save now. Ritu Singh. No, it's working fine. So now edit this record. So Akash Yadav. Now save it. That is working fine. So now we need to work on delete query. So just write down here else if $_get action is equal to delete inverted. Now write the query result is equal to mysql underscore query, pass the connection, delete from records where emp underscore id is equal to $_post emp id no semicolon then semicolon. Now again return result to jquery, return result to jtable, return result to jtable. So again I am copying this. That's it. Now check it. Refresh. Delete this record. Not record deleted. This blank record also deleted. Yeah, everything working fine. Our effects Amir Khan. So let's go to this one. Save. Yeah, Amir Khan. That's working fine. If you see the results, the total results is not showing, it's showing undefined records. So now we need to check our code. So now we check I think there should be total record count. Yeah, there is a spelling mistake in count, so I correct it and save it. Now let's check. Yeah, it's working properly and displaying all results, so it's working fine. That is our PHP CRUD. Sorting is also working. So this is the simple PHP CRUD with the help of ajax. So hope you learned something in this tutorial. So we will meet next tutorial soon. Now bye bye, take care.